goes to show that, you know, they don't care about us. You know, that's what Michael Jackson said. Oh, thank you. Hey, everybody. Welcome to my live. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating this beautiful look here right behind me. So if you guys see, I already did this side, which I am on YouTube doing and on TikTok. So you guys come on and subscribe to both of my platforms. So what you guys think on this side? Very natural. And I think they had a darker. So I'm going to use teas. Hello everybody, welcome to my live on TikTok. Tap on that screen. It doesn't cost anything. Just show your girl some love. And just tap that screen. Double tap, double tap, double tap. That's all I need and want from you guys. Show your girl some support and love. Share my live, share my content. We're going to use the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. We're going to use the color dark brown for my eyebrows. We're going to use this small angle brush. Thank you. I was hoping you guys would pick this one because I was like, I don't have nothing blue to go with my the outfit. But if you guys do pick of a second choice, I would definitely do it tonight. So yeah, we're gonna try to finish by 12:06. We're gonna try to finish by 12:30. We're gonna use the Nicka K 07. This is the Acorn. This is one of my favorite concealers to use under my brows. So we're just gonna go underneath. Thank you. Look, I gotta redo my hair. We're going to use a sponge. We're going to blend that concealer in with this sponge. Thank you, Brianna. Trying to make my eyebrows look more even. Come on, you guys. Double tap, double tap. Show your girl some love. Double tap. Follow me. Subscribe. Alright, guys. So we're going to take a reddish brown color, which is called Top Secret, that I have here. And I'm going to cover my whole eye with this color. It's like a reddish brown color. Then we're going to use dark brown. And then I'm going to use this color. It's called Excitement, guys. You guys can see it, Excitement. And I'm going to apply here on top, like covering almost like the full eye, but kind of half of the eye. I'm going to use the color Tease. I'm going to buy me another eyeshadow palette of this and apply all over. Alright, we're going to use my favorite lashes, Crystal Glow. This is Emerald. This is one of my favorites. And I'm going to go around the rim of my lashes. So these are how the lashes look. And we're going to go close to the lash line and apply, and we're going to press down. You did, Patton? Alright, and then we're going to use my favorite marker. You guys, I went out yesterday and I went ahead and bought me another marker. This is the Tattoo, Ruby Kisses Tattoo pen. I don't know, they're not carrying it on their site. So I did choose another one that's coming soon. So you guys will see that and rate it. So now I'm going to use my Cool Cafe concealer and foundation. I'm going to apply that first. And then I'm going to use the color Golden Full Coverage 312 by I Envy. These concealers are the best. And my blush supposed to be coming too. We're going to pray that it don't explode on us too. Alright, we're going to use the e.l.f. Primer Grip Spray. This is one of the best ones. I'm going to spray it on the brush. And we're going to dab. We're not going to force it. We're going to dab. And you see how easily the concealer is blending in. I probably put too much light, but I'm going to go back in with a little dark. That's it, yeah. We don't need a lot of makeup or anything. That was the finished look. It looks very natural. And all I need is my eyeliner. I'm going to apply, and this is black. I thought it was dark brown. So make my eyes stand out better. And then now we're going to use, I love this plum color by Ruby Kisses, so I'm going to use this color here. This is the Plum 06. It's a lip tint balm, and this is one of my favorites. So that is it, guys. This is the finished look. I'm going to spray one. And it works. So all the material that I used in today's video, I got glitter all on my arms. Okay, well, I got glitter. I used the Hydration and Grip primer, face primer, if you're interested. This is what I use. The lashes was Crystal Glow Emerald. You guys can go on ivyusa.com. Also, I used the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette to do today's makeup look. And I have the Ruby Kisses Balm Up Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the color Plum. You guys tap that screen for me. Show your girls some love. And I used the Golden Concealer 312. And this is not on the Ivy site, but you can find them at Walmart. It's the 2-in-1 concealer by Absolute New York. This was the Cool Cafe. And I used the Nicka K Acorn number 7. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. And my favorite lash glue is the 3D Hold in the color Clear. So, and the Filked eyeliner pen, Black is Black. Thank y'all for coming on to my live. I do appreciate it. We're going to be on YouTube, so if you guys want to come over and be on YouTube for a little bit, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to reach me, please direct message me, or you can use my email. It is Rickshana, RICSHUNA at, it's Rickshana Nash, Nash, at gmail.com. I'm going to repeat, Rickshana, RICSHUNA, Nash, NASH, at gmail.com. If you want to collaborate, do some makeup, please let me know. And also, you can direct message me, but I really prefer you to email me, because I can know if you guys are really interested. We can talk hours, or if you're from a different state, we can try to fit in the schedule. Thank y'all so much. I do love this makeup look. What you guys think? I love it. Alright, guys, I will see y'all tonight. And then the makeup choices that you guys chosen, it was 3. So if you pick another one, I would definitely do that tonight. So if you're on my YouTube channel, I have pictures, polls for everyone to be engaged in. So if you want me to do a makeup look or style, I would do it. Also a lip combo, lip art, anything of your choice. So thank y'all so much, and come on to my YouTube. I'm gonna stay over here for a little bit, and thank y'all for tuning in so much. I love y'all. Bye.